Alright, what is going on, everyone? So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a Supreme Week 2 unboxing for Spring Summer 18. Now, this is a smaller unboxing video, but I did get a pretty good deal on it, and I'm excited to sort of share it with you guys. And I decided to make a video on this just because, I don't know, it would be sort of fun. And I thought, well, why not just unbox it on camera? But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you are new and do want more content like this, I do plenty of Supreme unboxings, so you guys can subscribe below, drop a link in this video if you want more like that. I've seen you guys have been really just blowing up the channel lately. Like, these last 2 days, I think we've gained nearly like 400 subscribers in the last 2 days alone. And I just want to say thank you. I haven't had that growth in quite a long time. Like, that last time I had that sort of growth was like at least several months ago, like probably 6-7 months ago. And I just want to say thank you guys for showing your constant love and support. But anyways, I'm gonna get straight into this video. Enough talking. Let's get started. Now, I will give you guys sort of an idea on what this item is before I sort of unbox it. So it isn't like a gigantic item, as you guys can probably tell by the package. So shout out to the guy who actually gave me the steal on this product. You guys can go check out his Instagram. It's on the screen right now and in the description below. He gave me a really good deal on it, and he also takes care of his customers. So you guys might as well buy stuff from him. Look fragile. And also look, it said handle with care right here. So like, obviously the guy cares about this sort of thing, because usually USPS sometimes isn't good with really handling things with care. So thank you for him to putting that. I really do appreciate that. But we're just gonna unbox this item right here. I might as well just show you it. Yes, I still don't have a knife to unbox stuff. I don't know why. I'm just too lazy to go grab it from upstairs. But yeah, we'll just unbox this right here and right now. Okay, so that's actually pretty easy to rip open, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so that took way longer than it should have. But yeah, here is the item I'm about to show you. I just need to rip all that off there. Don't want to show anything. So here we are. Here's the package now. Sort of ripped up and broken a bit, as you guys can see, but I should be able to open this pretty easily. So I'm not really going to try to save the box, because I'm not going to need it for any items, because I'm not even going to be shipping this out. It's a personal collection item. But here we are, and there we go. He also put like protection right there on the inside, as you guys can see. So I really do appreciate that. Again, customer care is my biggest thing. If you have good customer care, you'll make good deals. I promise that. Especially when they get their item, if they're satisfied, they'll come back for more. But here we are. You guys can now see this item. You probably saw it a bit before. We do have the Supreme Wilson tennis balls, you guys can see right here, and you know, there's just like all the info right there, a little box logo right there. But then we're actually going to take out the tennis balls, but literally just a normal Wilson tennis ball case, nothing special, just has Supreme right here, sort of box logo, and then Wilson right next to it. These did retail pretty cheap. He gave me them for like 30 bucks, $35 I think, which is pretty good. I know they're not going for too much more than that, but at the time it was a really good deal, so I need to say thank you to him for that, and I decided I might as well unbox it right now. But go check him out down below. It's not a sponsorship, I'm serious. This is just someone giving good deals, and I just want to recognize that. But here we are, might as well just finally open it. You guys see we have to open it right here, so oh my, wow, that was loud. But here we are with this. That was just for the tennis balls. That new tennis ball smells pretty good from what I know, so we're gonna take one out. It smells pretty good. And then here we are, we just have the Supreme tennis ball. I've actually been seeing some people make pretty good money with these by selling each one individually for $15, which I think is a good deal. But this won't be going up in CLT steals at all, not my website, nothing. This is for a personal collection, and I don't know if I'm ever gonna sell it. No, I may, but I doubt I will right now. So just one, and we also have 3 of them, so don't forget I have other 2 in here. And they're pretty much the exact same. I'm just gonna show you guys these. So the case is actually sort of cool. It's definitely gonna put this up on my desk, and you guys can see this right here. One, and then I like how there's sort of like a white colorway and then red, so sort of a different tennis ball sort of style. But here we are, I almost dropped that. 1, 2, and then the third one right here. So we have 3 tennis balls right there. So you guys can see they all have the box logo right there, and they're all that sort of normal tennis ball material. And I feel like a dope Instagram photo would be if someone like got all the like tennis balls, or just started playing basically tennis. Like they had like a Supreme racket, and they're wearing like a full Supreme outfit, and they're like playing tennis, and they were using these. I feel like that'd make something pretty cool. I don't know, I may do that in the future. That'd be sort of cool, but I rarely post on my Instagram. I don't know why I post more. I just need some, I guess, inspiration to ideas. The Supreme Wilson tennis balls, thought I might as well do an unboxing on these. Yeah, I mean, again, I said I wasn't a huge fan of these, but I mean, if someone's gonna throw up a steal, I'm immediately gonna be a fan of it. That's how it works for me. So yeah, shout out to Mason Preem for giving me a steal on these. I really do appreciate it. So here they are, Supreme Wilson tennis balls. May use these in the future, but yeah, they're pretty dope, and I'm definitely gonna put these up on my desk. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video. I didn't plan on doing this originally, but I thought I might as well, because the guy specifically said I should probably, you know, unbox it on camera and stuff like that. And, you know, I thought it was a good idea. I know it's sort of a shorter video, but I felt like there was a meaning behind it, just sort of show you guys again my pickups from week 2, because I obviously took an L then, and I didn't pick up anything from the Supreme week 3 because I just wasn't interested in it whatsoever with the NBA collaboration. So I decided I might as well do this unboxing video through, but get great deal. I just want to say thank you to him for that. But if you guys are new, want more unboxing videos like this in the future, I'm trying to do one for as many weeks as I can. Go ahead, subscribe below, drop a like in this video. You guys can do any of that. It's completely optional, but I'd appreciate it all. But anyways, thank you all for watching this video, and peace out.